just help me. Okay, guys, this is another hospital episode. So, and nurse, help me. Some guy had a heart attack. So take him at the surgery room. If not, you're lazy. Bro, you're so lazy. Okay, fine. Oh my gosh. Let's go English. Um, no. Got
Ah,
messed up
pinakita mo yun.
now.
Binuksan ni Papa mo yun.
Please, doctor, save him. Save him, please. Please, doctor, save him. Bro, I don't care. Bro, please help my mommy. Oh no. Please save me. Okay, okay, fine. What will I do? You're the doctor. You need to know. Oh, okay, fine. We need the knife because we need to take the heart out because bro got a heart attack. So we need to take the heart out because that have um a I don't know a virus I think. Anyways, let's go put the heart okay, I know what to do. I'm the doctor. Okay. My gosh. Okay. Okay, not there. Okay. Ah! Let's go put this knife out. Let's go put this knife here now to. Oh my gosh. Oh, just put it. So guys, let's go put it here. Okay, let's go put a new heart in. A new heart, but we know we don't have some hearts. So, do you want to put your heart in your mom? No, I rather leave. So you don't love your mommy? No, bro. You need to save your mom. My dad needs to do it, so I will go call him. Mahiwagang phone. Okay, finally, I have my phone now. Okay, Mr. Doctor, you wait. Hey, Dad, do you want to transfer your heart to Mom's? What happened to your mom? Bro, Mom got a heart attack because my grades was F. Oh, okay, I will go there. Finally. Okay, Doctor, my dad accept. Too late because your mom ratted. Bro, that's freaking weird. So what is it? Okay. Oh, what is it now? Dad, go see mom now. Okay, doctor. I will put your wife in the crib first. In the crib. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will just maybe. My Lord, can you start now? Bro, stop freaking being impatient, bro. Get the freaking lines to the doctor, bro. Bro, how can you get this thing? Okay.
Ayoko yan, mukha nang nalalagyan na.
Okay.
Hindi, oo.
Ah! Okay, so I'm going to.
Dapat makabili pa tayo ng ganito.
Okay.
Gusto mo yung ganito?
Okay. Okay.
Bili ka ng bili kasi alam ko na yun na lang.
Okay.
Kasi kung bibili tayo ng isang ganito,
Oh my gosh.
malaki na.
Okay, got
Favorite
this.
talaga.
Now why bro is
Favorite
still
talaga.
alive? I'll just leave you. Oh my dead terrible because I'm dead. I can't even be.
Pangit yun.
Finally, bro's dead.
Tagal
So
na brown na ito.
let's go. Okay, friend. Oh no, your mom is dead. So please save them both or just one. Fine. I will just put the heart back and there. Okay, I will put the heart back. This is the heart. Okay, finally reached them. Okay. Your mom is right. Your dad is uh-huh. Mama. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. No, Dad. Please, can you save my dad? Bro, you're gonna freaking waste my freaking hearts. No. Dad. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Bye bye. No, Dad, I wanna come with you. No, son, you will stay with me. Ah! Ha, your dad deserves it. Why, Mom? You're so freaking bad. Ah, wire worker. Ah, 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 ah. who bullied my son. What? Oh no, bro is alive. Yeah. Super fast. Help me. Help me, son. Oh, Dad, why you're alive? Ow. I'm a zombie now, so I will not bite you. Oh, thanks, Dad. I love you. Love you too, son. Ever, ever, ever. So yeah, guys, that's the bad ending, but it's a good ending now because I will. Oh no. Alright, son, we will be together. Okay. After that, I love you. Gotta say good ending. Yeah. Bye.